Hi, my name is Patrick Biolsi. I'm with Yamaha Motor Corporation, the ATV side-by-side testing manager. I'm here to talk about the 2025 Wolverine RMAX 1000 lineup, including the all-new Wolverine RMAX4 1000. What you may notice right off the bat is this is a much longer wheelbase, full-time four-seater with a 600-pound dumping cargo bed in the back. The front part of the vehicle is completely the same as all the previous RMAXs we've had. What we're really focusing on, all new RMAX4 1000, is the rear cab area. It's really focused on passenger comfort. It's exceptionally roomy. It's got a great footrest area. It's angled and has a lot of traction, so you can use your feet and your leg muscles to keep yourself planted again in that higher speed, rough terrain. You can really relax your upper body. We've got the best handholds in the business. The front passenger handhold that we've had on the RMAX for 4 years now, we took that same shape and put it in the back seats. You'll notice, again, the door shape is really exceptional as well. We've got soft touch points in the doors, so where your legs make contact with the vehicle, it's really comfortable. We also have even adjustable seatbelt anchor points. We got a lot of different sized people that are going to sit in the back of the vehicle, and having an adjustable seatbelt anchor point is really important to enhance that comfort too. One other key point about the doors, on the limited model you get rear door speakers incorporated in the door, just like the front, really comfortable, and it sounds great. On the XTR model, you've got the knockouts, it's pre-wired, it's plug and play. What you also notice about the rear doors is the opening area. Getting in and out of the vehicle is really convenient on the trail. Another key point about the rear cab area is storage. We've got two storage areas. One that's just like the front side. It's got a cushioned top. It's great for cell phones. It's actually got access to the other storage area, which has a USB charging port, an LED light, and a massive 6 gallons of storage. Just imagine the 5-gallon pail you get at a home improvement store and add a gallon to that. It's water resistant. It really comes in handy on the trail. Speaking of storage, we've got that 600-pound capacity rear dump bed, same exact setup as what's on our RMAX2. Comes in really handy whether you're looking for access to the engine or, of course, wood chips, gravel, all those types of things. It's got tie-down points. It's got great accessory integration as well. You'll notice this model has a bunch of accessories already attached to it from our catalog. In the testing department, we actually test the accessories just like the vehicle. We've got great integration points, and they're tested to be just as durable as the vehicle itself. One more key point, this vehicle maintains 2,000 pounds of towing capacity, got a 2-inch receiver hitch, something our customers ask for home utility use. They really want that 2-inch receiver hitch, and they really want that 600-pound dumping cargo bed. Another key feature of this vehicle is the suspension. We've got 14.2 inches of front travel, 16.9 inches rear travel, which is exceptional. It's the same as our RMAX2 1000, and it really enhances the capability of this vehicle in more open terrain, higher speeds, bigger mountain trail whoops. It really enhances the comfort of the front passenger and the rear passenger. That wheelbase also makes a big difference in enhancing the comfort and reduces the movement of the driver and passengers throughout the vehicle. We've got an IQS available on the Limited and QS3s on the XTR model. Soft, medium, firm, really convenient to use. Gives you that adjustability that you're looking for in that variety of terrain, low speed comfort or higher speed performance. Also, when it comes to wheels and tires, on the Limited model and the XTR model, we both have 30-inch carnivores in a square setup, 30-10 by 14 radials. We always focus on a 14-inch wheel if we can. The larger sidewall really gives you more comfort and more sidewall durability in that rough, nasty, rocky terrain. Really 8-ply rated radials give our customers the durability they're looking for. On the XTR model, you get a full true beadlock. On the Limited, you get the machined accent wheel. The brake system for the new 2025 model RMAXs is all new. It's more rigid, provides more initial bite, better feel through the pedal, and it's also much quieter in those really adverse, dusty and muddy conditions. Let's talk about the engine in the new RMAX 1000. It is the same engine as what we've had in the past. We have updated the fuel injection system a little bit. The cold start consistency has been enhanced. It starts really well no matter what the temperature. One key difference for this model compared to the other two, the RMAX2 1000, when it comes to the clutching system, we have an 18-gram clutch weight. The RMAX4 Compact has a 20-gram weight. This vehicle has a 16-gram weight in the primary clutch. And we're really focused on this vehicle's longer, heavier than those vehicles. Using it in deep sand, higher elevations, we really want to make sure that the acceleration feeling and the ability to traverse big, steep sand hills was there. So we really focused making sure this vehicle had that capability. That's why we went with the 16-gram weight. Also, the Ultramatic system, same as we've always had on the RMAX. The 10-year belt warranty is a key reason, and we maintain that with the new RMAX. And we really focused on that durability, especially with this big and capable of a vehicle. You want to be able to choose high range or low range and get through those tough technical situations, but also you can maintain a higher trail speed with this vehicle as well. We've got some big updates to the on-command system as well. It's always been a great system for us. Our customers tell us over and over again that they like having a fully locking front differential that they control on command. Now we've added a couple of key features that we've never had before. We've got an unlocking rear gear, so a turf mode. When you're in a sensitive terrain situation, grass, groomed gravel, or you really don't want to mark things up, flip it over to turf mode, and it really enhances your ability to use the vehicle in a variety of situations, especially that home utility use. One big enhancement to the on-command system is the front diff lock engagement. It's much smoother, much quicker, and you don't have to wait for things to engage and disengage. We still have that great mechanical lock system to it, so you know exactly what's happening when it's happening, but it's much smoother, much quicker, and much more seamless. What was really important to us is the on-command system had a great reputation for durability. We wanted to maintain that and even enhance that. So both these systems, it took us years to develop this enhancement to the on-command system because it was so important for us to maintain the durability that our system's so well known for. Our electric power steering system is all new for 2025. We've got 3 selectable modes for our new electric power steering system, but of course we really always want to maintain that exceptional balance, and we feel like we really did that even having these 3 modes. It really can match driver preference or the terrain you're in. If you're in a faster, more open section, you like a little more positive feedback from the vehicle, you can put it in a low. Standard, of course, gives you a very linear one-to-one feeling from your steering system, very similar to what we've had in the past with lighter effort. And then the high assist mode is great for low-speed technical terrain. Exceptionally light, but again, doesn't feel too numb. And now when you switch into diff lock, the system is exceptionally powerful. It's got 62% more electrical power, which equals 121% more torque available at the wheels from the power steering system. It's the next level for us, next generation, but 4 modes, 3 are selectable. The 4th one comes in when you flip it at the front end of diff lock. The new Adventure Pro system, the visibility's really been enhanced. The contrast is exceptional. You can see it in bright sun, dusty conditions, low light conditions. We now incorporate the audio system into the Adventure Pro screen. So you've got all that integration right there, not a separate head unit any longer. Also, you've got all the tiles are customizable. You can, 2 different home screens you can flip through. So a whole new level of integration with the new Adventure Pro system. The Adventure Pro is linked to the new TFT meter for our limited models. The new TFT meter also provides great contrast. It's also very customizable, multiple screens. You can customize a lot on the screen itself. The Adventure Pro system is also Bluetooth capable. You can link your phone right to the Adventure Pro system. It works great with our new MTX audio system. Front speakers, rear speakers, also an MTX subwoofer that's much more convenient to install. Really enhances your ability to use this vehicle at a variety of speeds. We tested it at idle, 10, 20, even over 40 miles per hour. The performance of it is really enhanced and you can really hear it and use it on the trail. One key integration point in the new Adventure Pro system on all 2025 limited models is an all-new rear camera. And on the XGR models, you can add it as an accessory. It's pre-wired, it's plug and play. All the features and benefits that we've been talking about on the Wolverine RMAX4 1000 do apply to the Wolverine RMAX4 Compact and the RMAX2. But one of the key differences in suspension. We've got the same amount of travel we had before, but new spring rates, new damping curves, and even on the RMAX4 Compact, we've got new sway bar rates as well. So really focused on low speed comfort, enhancing that while maintaining our higher performance, higher speed capability of those vehicles. Those are the big changes for those models. For 2025, the RMAX4 1000 Compact is really well suited for tighter technical terrain. It also has a more versatile rear seating area. You can change it from a 2-seater to a 3-seater to a 4-seater, or this is a full-time 4-seater. To learn more about the new Yamaha Wolverine RMAX4 1000, our genuine accessories, and the entire proven off-road lineup, go to YamahaMotorsports.com.